Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to NIE Wisdom School. I am Rahela Ferdousee, day shift. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to have a class with the student of class 3. Our today's subject is English language. Our today's topic is dialogue 1 and 2 CW. Today's lecture number 8 and SW number 8. This is the class of our annual term, and here is my mobile number. And my dear student, after completing the learning, you will do SW number 8, that is dialogue 1. Okay, let us see our today's CW. Today we will do dialogue. What is dialogue? Do you know? Yes, dialogue means the conversation between two persons. Whenever two persons converse or talk with each other, how can we write that? That is in the form of dialogue we have shown in our language. In our language we have to study this dialogue, that's why. Okay, now see dialogue number 1. Here it is said, write a dialogue between you and your grandmother for requesting her to tell a ghost story. The answer, from here you will start the answer. A dialogue between me and my grandmother. Sorry, here is a mistake, it will be grandmother. A dialogue between me and my grandmother. It will be grandmother. Okay, like this way you will start. Then you have to write like this way. That means all the speeches will come in a row, and the person who is talking, that will keep in the left side, and the speeches will come in the right side, and there must have a line like this. Okay, so now see myself. Good morning, grandmother. How are you? Grandmother, I'm fine. Why didn't you come to me for a few days? Myself, I'm sorry to say that I was busy with my study. I'm free now. Would you mind telling me an interesting story? Grandmother, why not? What type of story do you like to hear? Myself, ghost story. Then grandmother is replying, won't you fear at night? Myself, no, rather I am fond of it. Then grandmother said, all right, I am going to tell a thrilling ghost story. Myself, thank you. So from this dialogue, whenever we will see the question, that the question is given, write a dialogue between you and your grandmother for requesting her to tell a ghost story. Then we have to imagine that if we want to listen a ghost story from our grandmother, what types of questions may we ask to her, then or what does she want to know from us. And I have thought like this way, and I have arranged like this way. So dear students, you will follow this for writing dialogue number 1. Now see dialogue 2. Write a conversation with your friend for lending a dictionary. So here you have to write a conversation with your friend for lending a dictionary. So there will be two persons. One is your friend and another one is you. So for you, you will write here myself. So how will you start answer? A conversation with my friend. Then you can put like this, and you will start writing myself. Here I have given the friend's name Bristi. You can write any name here. Myself. Hello Bristi. How are you? Bristi. I'm fine. Thanks for visiting me. Myself. I have come for a special purpose. Bristi. May I know your purpose? Myself. Would you please lend me one of your dictionaries? I'm badly in need of it. Bristi. Of course. Which dictionary do you want? Myself. Bangla Academy English to Bangla Dictionary. Then Bristi replied, okay, here it is. Myself, thanks. Bristi, welcome. So this is the conversation between you and your friend about lending a dictionary. Okay, my dear student, you must practice these two dialogues at home very well, and then you will submit the SW. Stay well, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.